Game over. Killer whales, the ocean's top predator. Swimming in perfect formation, they flick their tails in unison and create a wave that cracks the ice. This time, they unleash a far more powerful wave, and with astonishing accuracy. They need to grab their prey by the tail while avoiding its snapping jaws. Only then will they be able to pull it down and drown it. Somehow the seal manages to reach a tiny ice floe. The killers could easily grab it, but now this seems to have become a game. Exhausted, it no longer has the energy to pull itself to safety. And the killers are moving in. Game over.